Hi, my dear students. We are going to the chapter-wise concept. The chapter is trigonometry. The topic is compound angles. Okay. So we are going to the define the 15 degrees, 75 degrees, 105 degrees, like that. That means we have to find the sine, cos, sine 15, cos 15, tan 15. So with the help of compound angles, by using the standard angles, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Now we have to find sine 15 degrees. So sine 15 degrees, sine 15, this can be right sine 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. So this depends upon the formula sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That's all. Now by using this formula, we have to substitute in place of A 15 degrees, in place of A 45 degrees, in place of B 30 degrees. Then it is sin 15 degrees. Expand this is sin 45 cos 30 degrees minus cos 45 sin 30 degrees. That's all. Now from this, sin 15 degrees is equal to, here it is 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. Sin 15 is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. That's why sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So which is equal to cos 75 degrees. Since here sin 90 minus 75, that is cos 75. 15 can be right, sin 90 minus 75. So that is cos 75. So cos 75 and sin 15 gives same result. What is that? That is sin 15 is equal to cos 75 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2. What is that? Sin 15 is equal to cos 75 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2. That's all. Similarly, we are going to find the sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees. In place of 15, we have to write 75. Then 75 is 45 plus 30. Here sin A plus B formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here sin 75 degrees. So it is plus. It is plus. Now this is 75. This is 75. It is plus. This is 75. So it is plus, this is 50. Since sin 75 is equal to cos 15 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. That's why cos 15 degrees is equal to sin 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. Since 15 degrees and 75 degrees are complementary angles, since sum of the angles is 90 degrees, that's why this is the result for sin 15 is equal to cos 75, cos 15 is equal to sin 75. That's all. Now we are going to find the tan. Now we have to find the tan 15 degrees. This can be right tan 45 minus 30. Tan 45 minus 30. So this can be, now we have to write the formula. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So with the help of this formula, we have to derive tan 15 degrees. So that is tan 15 degrees is equal to, expand in the form of tan A minus B. This is tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30 degrees. That's all. Now tan 15 degrees is equal to tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole by, here it is 1 plus tan 45 is 1 into 1 by root 3, tan 30. That's all. Now we have to take LCM. So tan 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 whole by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Since so both the numerator and denominator have LCM, root 3 gets cancelled. So here from this tan 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So that is the value of tan 15 degrees. Now we have to rationalize this one. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. That means we have to rationalize the denominator. Since the rationalizing factor of root a plus b is root a minus b, a plus root b is a minus root b. That's why rationalizing factor of root 3 plus 1 is root 3 minus 1. Now tan 15 degrees is equal. Here it is root 3 minus 1 whole square. In denominator a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Now tan 15 degrees is equal to, expand this. This is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1. Numerator in the form of a minus b whole square. Denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now tan 15 degrees is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Take 2 and gets cancelled. So tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. Tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Now in place of 15 what we have to write? 90 minus 75 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. Tan 90 minus 75 is cot 75. So cot 75 is also 2 minus root 3. That's why here we get tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. Tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now, so we have to take tan 75 degrees. So tan 75 degrees. So we have to take instead of 50, we have to take 75. It is plus. Now formula it is plus, it is plus, it is minus. Now tan 75 degrees, it is plus. This is minus. Now tan 75 degrees, it is plus. This is minus. Tan 75 degrees. Tan 75 degrees. This is plus. This is minus. Now here tan 75 degrees. So this is plus. Now this is minus. This is plus. Tan 75 degrees. It is plus. Tan 75 degrees. It is plus. Tan 75 degrees. It is plus. So tan 75 degrees. It is plus. Now tan 90 minus 15 degrees. 75 is nothing but 90 minus 15. 2 plus 2. That's why cot 15 degrees. Cot 15 degrees is equal to 2 plus 2. So tan 75 degrees. Tan 75 degrees is equal to cot 15 degrees is equal to 2 plus 3. That's all. That's all. Now we are going to next formula. Now one more question depends upon the compound angles concept, that is the value of sine square 45 degrees minus sine square 15 degrees is equal to sine square 45 minus sine square 15 degrees is equal to First option root 3 by 2, second option 1 by 2, third option root 3 by 4, and fourth option 1 by 4. Now solution for this. So we know that the formula, what is formula? Sine square alpha minus sine square beta is equal to sine alpha plus beta into sine alpha minus beta. So we know that product of the sine expansions, sine alpha plus beta into sine alpha minus beta is equal to sine square alpha minus sine square beta. That's why this is sine square 45 degrees minus sine square 15 degrees. In place of alpha 45 degrees, in place of beta 15 degrees. Now sine alpha plus beta. So 45 degrees plus 15 degrees into sine 45 degrees minus 15 degrees. Now this is sine 60 degrees into sine 30 degrees. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. That's why it is root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. That's why the result is root 3 by 4. That's right. Therefore, sine square 45 degrees minus sine square 15 degrees is equal to root 3 by 4. So that is the third option. That's all. Now similar to previous one, that is in terms of cos, that is cos 45 degrees minus sine square 15 degrees is equal to cos square 45 degrees minus sine square 15 degrees is equal to same options over there. Now solution for this one. We know that formula. What is formula? Formula cos square alpha minus sine square beta is equal to cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. Now some of the cosine expansions. Now according to this formula we have to write cos square 45 degrees minus sine square 15 degrees is equal to cos A plus B, that is cos 60 into cos 30. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That's why it is root 3 by 2. So that is root 3 by 4. That is the third option. Same option will be there. That's all. Okay. Now next. Now we are going to one more question depends upon the concept, that is sine square 82.5 degrees minus sine square 22.5 degrees is equal to sine square 82.5 degrees minus sine square 22.5 degrees is equal to first option 3 minus root 3 by 2 root 2, second option 3 plus root 3 by 2 4 root 2, third option 3 minus root 3 by 4 root 2, and fourth option 3 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. Now solution for this. Say, observe sine square 82.5 degrees minus sine square 22.5 degrees. This is in the form of a square minus b, sine square a minus sine square b formula. That is sine a plus b to sine a plus b. So sine square a minus sine square b is sine a plus b into sine a minus b. That's all. So from this formula we have to write it is sine a plus b. You observe here sine of a plus b. R plus R. That means a plus b means it is. So a plus b. Now it is sine a plus b into a minus b. Observe here 82.5 degrees plus 22.5 degrees. into sine 82 and a half degrees minus 22 and a half degrees. Is this clear? Now from this sine 82 and a half plus 22 and a half, you can calculate half of 1. 82 plus 22, 104. So 104 plus 1, 105. Sine 105 degrees into sine, here it is. 2 and a half gets cancelled. That's why 80 minus 20 is 60. So it is sine 60 degrees. If now observe, actually sine 105, that is sine 180 minus 75 or sine 90 plus 75. Sine 90 plus 75 is cos 75. Sine 90 plus 75 is cos 75. Cos 75 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Here it is sine 90 plus 75 degrees into sine 60 degrees. That's why sine 90 plus 75 is cos 75 degrees and sine 60 degrees. So cos 75 degrees is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. That's why root 3 into root 3, 3. So we have to multiply root 3 times. Root 3 into root 3, 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. That's right. So the answer is 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. Second option is right answer. So we are going to one more question depends upon this concept. Now we are going to the question that is cos square 112 and a half degrees minus sin square 52 and a half degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2 minus of root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2 root 3 minus 1 by 4 root 2 and minus of root 3 minus 1 by 4 root 2. Now solution for this question. Take this cos square 112 and a half degrees minus sin square 52 and a half degrees is equal to cos a plus b 112 and a half degrees plus 52 and a half degrees into cos 112 and a half degrees minus 52 and a half degrees. That's why here the formula is cos square alpha minus sin square beta is cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. So from this we have to write this is observe half of 1 and 112 and it is 164. So 165 cos 165 degrees into cos. So here it is 2 and a half gets cancelled. 110 minus 50, that is cos 60 degrees. So here cos 165 is nothing but cos 180 minus 15 degrees into cos 60 degrees. So cos 180 minus 15 degrees is minus cos 15 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Cos minus cos 15 degrees root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That's why minus of root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into here cos 60 is 1 by 2. That's why the final result is minus of root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. So that is in second option. So that is the value of the given question. Okay. Now we are going to some concept. Now we are going to the question that is cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees whole by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees is equal to first option tan 36 degrees, second option cot 36 degrees, third option tan 27 degrees and fourth option cot 27 degrees. Now solution for this can be written. Here it is cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees. Now we have to transfer this one into compound angles. That's why both the numerator and denominator divided by cos 9 degrees. So both numerator and denominator divide by cos 9 degrees. Then cos 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees whole by cos 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees is equal to, observe, cos 9 by cos 9 1 plus sin 9 by cos 9 tan 9 degrees by cos 9 by cos 9 1 minus sin 9 by cos 9 tan 9 degrees. That's now run this. Observe here this 1 can be written tan 45 plus tan 9 by 1 minus here 1 into tan 1 can be written tan 45. So tan 45 into tan 9 degrees. That's why observe that is in the form of tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. That is tan of A minus tan of A plus B. That's why that is tan 45 plus 9. So that is tan 54 degrees. So tan 54 degrees which is equal to cot 36 since complementary angles. Since this can be right tan 90 minus 36 is nothing but tan 90 minus 36 is cot 36 degrees. That is in second option. That's it. So these are the questions related to compound angles. So some more questions are there, some more concepts are there. So you can concentrate and you can learn the concept and you can revise the concept and you can revise the forms and you can practice the questions, the corresponding formulae. Okay, so you can practice these questions. These are all important and these are all related to objective model. So these are all memory based questions. Okay, you can practice all the questions. You can write notes and you can maintain the notes. Okay, bye.